Are you ready to draw something super juicy and sweet? Today we're drawing a watermelon. It's red, green, and full of yummy seeds. Let's go!
Hey kids, it's boo-boo time! Grab your pencil, it's sketching time! Aww! First we start with simple lines, shapes and curves, oh look that's fine. A circle here, a squiggle there, soon a character will appear. Sketch, sketch with boo-boo, yay! Line by line we draw and play.
Time to color! Green for the outside, just like a real watermelon. Wow! It's looking delicious already!
We sketched our boo-boo looking great. Now it's time to decorate. Pick your colors bold or bright. Make boo-boo shine in the light. Red or yellow, green or blue. It's your choice, it's up to you. Color, color with boo-boo, yay! Fill the world with joy today. Brush your marker, it's okay. We bring our boo-boo to life this way. Soft and gentle, take your time. Every shade is just sublime. Stripes or dots or sparkles too. Your boo-boo's made by you, so true. Color, color with boo-boo, yay! Fill the world with joy today. Brush your marker, it's okay. We bring our boo-boo to life this way. Mix and blend, have lots of fun. There's no wrong way for anyone. Bright and happy, bold and new. Look at what you made. Woo-hoo. Color, color with boo-boo, yay! Fill the world with joy today. Brush your marker, it's okay. We bring our boo-boo to life this way. Now our boo-boo's full of cheer. You did amazing, give a cheer. More fun drawings on the way. With boo-boo friends, hip hip hooray!
Let's add some sparkly glitter to make our watermelon shine in the sun. So bright, so fun. You're doing amazing. Great job, friends! Your watermelon looks sweet and tasty. Show it to your family and hang it on the fridge. And don't forget to subscribe to Boo Boo Productions for more fun drawings. See you next time!